I love this unit. I think it's so cute, and I think if you guys are into this type of style, like the big curly natural look, y'all need this unit. Like, it's so cute. Look how natural the hairline looks, really nice, and the parting is pretty deep. I love this. I think it looks adorable. So I have on the unit. It is so cute. I just finished doing my makeup because we have to get into the whole look. But look at the little coils on the end. Super cute. Now, I've been seeing this unit all over TikTok, and I've always wanted to try it because I thought it was just the cutest unit. Now, of course, I wouldn't walk around with the curls just like this, but I did want to show you guys what it looks like. So I didn't wash this unit. Now, once you wash this unit, I'm sure the curls would look amazing. But again, I didn't want these to leave the unit, and I don't know how to do this myself because I've never done it before, but how cute. It's so pretty. So I'm going to show you guys this side and pull a couple of them out just so you could see. Now, this is a 7x5. This unit can be worn glueless. It has the combs, the adjustable straps, the drawstring. It has all of that for you. So if you wanted to wear the unit glueless, you can. Look how natural the hairline looks, really nice, and the parting is pretty deep. I love this. I think it looks adorable. Now, I would probably cut a few pieces in the front just to frame my face a little bit. So that's what we're gonna do. But this looks really cute. I'm gonna keep this unit on for a while because I've been wanting to have my hair like this. The hair is really nice and soft. We're gonna just pull some of the curls out, and like I said, once this unit is washed, it's gonna be even prettier. So we're just gonna pull some of the curls out, and again, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks on this side. We'll keep this side here like this, but I'm gonna just pull out a couple just so you guys can see like how pretty it'll still look. Just pull some out, and it will just basically curl up at the ends, just like your natural hair would. I am in love with this unit. Like, I think I look really cute with this. I'm gonna cut it a little shorter though, not on this video, but once I style it, wash it, I'm gonna cut it just a little shorter where it's not falling on my shoulders. But how cute is this? Like, it looks really, really cute. And when I say it with the front, so this is what I would do with it. Not too short, but just like a couple of pieces like this. Just so you can really like frame the face. This is so cute. This unit is really easy. You can just put it on and go. This is the back of the unit. It's just so cute. I've been seeing this unit all over TikTok, and I've been wanting to try it for a while. So I'll probably cut mine to about maybe like right here, just to get it off of my shoulders. Because if I wear this type of style, I want it to just be a little shorter. Even if I was to do like some full bangs, I think that would look cute too. You know, where you don't have the part showing. I think that would look cute. But I love this unit. I think it's so cute. And I think if you guys are into this type of style, like the big curly natural look, y'all need this unit. Like, it's so cute. I'm pretty sure if you guys are on TikTok, I'm pretty sure you've seen this unit all over. Some of the girls come out and surprise you because everybody thought it was their real hair, and I could see why. Like, seeing this unit in person, I 100% can see how someone would think that this is your real hair. It's really cute. So this is how it looks once you pull some of the curls out of the bottom, which is really cute. See that? Looks really good. And this is how it comes for you. So we love that. This is so pretty. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below.